My name is Alex Muya. I'm a software developer. I work at NGENI Labs. At NGENI Labs, mostly I'm a front-end developer on the blockchain side and also on the Web2 stuff, but mostly on the blockchain side. In the year 2020, when everyone else was talking about blockchain, I got interested in it and I queried a few APIs like the CoinGecko API and some APIs from Rapid Hub API. And after that, I applied for a job at NGENI and showed them what I had done. They absorbed me in because it could have been quicker for me to jump into the blockchain because I already had an idea about it. At NGENI, we have great colleagues, resourceful people, fun people, and that's because they are young people, but at the same time, extremely talented people. And also the projects that we do, amazing projects, big projects, and just seeing a project that you participated in being hosted somewhere and it having a big impact in the other part of the world, man, that's always something that you feel satisfied out of, and you get a lot of joy out of that. So I've worked on a centralized exchange, a decentralized exchange, and an app that is like Instagram but built on the blockchain. So the most difficult part was when I got into a live project. The project is a decentralized exchange. It had tight deadlines and it had a lot of technical things that I was tasked to do. Eventually, I sailed through successfully because we have a great team around, and they were coming in whenever I need help, and also they consulted me on a few things, and it was a success. Uh, the most interesting part of it is having to grow my skills rapidly because in a space of 3 months, I had really leveled up in terms of my programming skills, writing better code, and all that credits to the team that I had. Of course, if you want to stay updated on any matter, you have to follow the trendsetters. So when it comes to blockchain technology, people like ThirdWeb and OpenZeppelin obviously are trendsetters, but mostly ThirdWeb, because ThirdWeb have great SDKs and also great smart contracts that you can customize or just pick it the way it is. So me being a front-end developer, their SDKs come in handy when I need to query the smart contract. And also they have great YouTube channels that you can easily watch their videos and learn what they are doing. And I follow amazing people on Twitter who also talk matters blockchain, and that helps me to keep updated on any matter that is current on the blockchain news. I don't know if I should call this a trend or a technology because it's already there in blockchain. That's NFTs. So NFTs is something that is big and it has endless opportunities and possibilities. For example, in the gaming aspect, I think NFTs have not been fully explored. Games that use NFTs have not been given the publicity they deserve because I think as a gamer, if you are gaming a game that has NFTs, it's more fun because maybe how you can buy something or sell it if you feel that you are past that stage of using it. Maybe you are competing with a certain car in stage one, and when it comes to stage two, you don't need it. You can sell it and buy a better car from maybe another person in the same marketplace or gaming sphere as you. So I think NFTs are going to be the game changer in the coming years. NGENI Labs have this training program where they interview people, put them in the academy for 6 to 9 months for them to learn blockchain technologies, whether in the front end or the back end. And they learn, yes, with pressure, but not a lot of pressure. Uh, and out of that learning environment, you build some really confident developers who can take on tasks without a lot of struggles. So maybe in the next 2, 3, 4 years, NGENI Labs will be home to blockchain technical ability in Africa. What excites me so much about Web3 and blockchain technology is adoption. So it takes time for something to be adopted, and something like blockchain technology, this is something that's great, and with time the adoption is going to be great, and with this comes much power to the user. If you see how something like Brave browser is built, or how Lens protocol works, something like Lens protocol is going to change how social media platforms are built. Users will get to decide, want to give out this information or not. And if I give this information, then I get maybe this kind of money back for selling my information. Not like right now where your information is taken whether you want it or not. As users get to adopt blockchain technologies more, then they're going to reap all these benefits that come together with blockchain technology. And because almost every blockchain network comes with its own native payment, and that's a huge plus for anyone that is on the blockchain, because now you don't need something like PayPal to make your payments, because something like Ethereum comes with ETH to pay, or Binance network comes with the BNB. So the possibilities are just endless with blockchain. Thank you.